Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we will cover question number 3, 4 and 6 of exercise 2.4. So before starting question number 3, let us revise a concept which will be used in question number 3 and 4. So we must have studied that there are different type of numbers, single digit number, 2 digit, 3 digit and so on. We also studied about the expanded form of these numbers. For example, if we want to write the expanded form of a 2-digit number, for example, I will take 45 here. So how to write expanded form of this 45? We write it as 10 into 4 plus 5. So how we write this? This 5 is at 1's place, this 4 is at 10's place. So we write it as 10 into digit at 10's place plus 1's place digit. Let us take another example, 72. So how we write the expanded form of 72? So 2 is the digit at 1's place, 7 is the digit at 10's place. So how we write it? 10 into 7 plus 2. So by this we can write expanded form. And if we take 3 digit, for example 123, so this is 1's place digit, this is 10's place digit and this is 100 place digit. So if we write expanded form of this, 100 into 1 plus 10 into 2 plus 3. So like this we can write expanded form of different numbers. So here in question number 3 and 4 we will talk about the 2-digit number only. So here I took example 45, but if I don't know that what are the digits, for example, if I take digit at 10's place at x and digit at 1's place is y. So I replaced 5 by y and 4 by x. So how we write expanded form of this? So 10 into x plus y. So basically what is the rule here? We have to multiply 10 into 10's place digit, which is x, plus 1's place digit y. So therefore any 2-digit number can be written as 10 into digit at 10's place plus digit at 1's place. So we have to remember this point. Any 2-digit number can be written as 10 into digit at 10's place plus digit at 1's place. So we will use this concept in the question number 3 and 4. Let us see question number 3 now. Sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So obviously there will be 2 digits in a 2-digit number and the sum of the digits is 9. For example, let us take 72 here. So here the sum of the digits 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So there is a number in which the sum of digits is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting number is greater than the original number by 27. So it was seen that if we interchange the digits, for example 72 will convert into 27. So we will interchange the digits. 1's digit will come to 10's place and 10's place digit will come to 1's place. So like this, if we interchange the digits, the new number will be 27 more than the original number. So we have to find what is that number. So first of all, since it is given that it is a 2-digit number, so there will be 2 digits, one at 10's place and other at 1's place. So we will suppose these 2 digits. So first of all, let the unit place digit will equal to x. So we suppose that the digit at units place is x. Now what we have to find? Therefore digit at tens place. So what we will suppose here, since it is given that the sum of the digits of two digit number is 9, so दोनों digits का sum हमें 9 given है, और अगर एक हमने उसमें नंबर x सेलेक्ट कर लिया है तो दूसरा वाला क्या बनेगा. For example, if we have 10 toffees and we have eaten 5, so we have to find how many toffees are remaining. So what we will do, we will subtract 5 from 10 and the answer will be 5. So here also we are given that the sum of the digits is 9. So if one digit is x, the other will be 9 minus x. We will subtract that digit from the total number. So now we know what is the unit place digit and what is the tens place digit. So any two digit number can be written as 10 into tens place digit plus ones place digit. So here it will become 10 into, what is the tens place digit? That is 9 minus x. So here we will put the value plus, what is the ones place digit? That is x. So we will multiply, this will become 10 into 90 minus 10x plus x. This will become 90 minus 9x. So this is our two digit number which is in the form of this. So what will we do? Two digit number is 10 into tens place digit plus ones place digit. What was ones place digit? That is x. And what is tens place digit? That is 9 minus x, because it is given that sum of the digits is 9. So here we will put value of those two digits. So in tens place digit we will put 9 minus x, plus ones place digit will be x. So on simplifying it will be 90 minus 9x. Now what is the given in question? It is given that when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So if we interchange the digits, a new number will be found. So that new number is equal to original number plus 27. This new number on interchanging the digits will be 27 more than the original number. So if we add 27 to the original number, we will get the new number. Now how will we find the new number? It is given that we have to interchange the digits. So new number will be 10 into, earlier the unit place digit was x. Now it will become the tens place digit number, plus 9 minus x, which was earlier digit at tens place. Now it will become digit at ones place. So like this we will find our new number. 10 into tens place digit plus 9 minus x, that is ones place digit, equal to original number. What was original number? Original number was 90 minus 9x and plus 27. So like this we have found the equation. Next step is to solve this. So first of all simplify. 10x minus x plus 9 equal to 90 minus 9x plus 27. This will become x plus 9. 9x plus 9 equal to 90 plus 27 will be 117 minus 9x. So on solving it will become, this 9x will come to left hand side and this 9 will go to right hand side. This will become 18x equal to 108. So to find x, this 18 will go to denominator. So x will be 6. So what was x? X was the digit at ones place. Therefore ones place digit will be 6 and tens place digit. What was tens place digit? That was 9 minus x. So this will be 9 minus 6 equal to 3. So we have to find the two digit number. So how to find two digit number? This is equal to 10 into 10th place digit. What is 10th place digit? 3 plus 1st place digit 6. So this will become 30 plus 6 equal to 36. So this was question number 3. Next question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So there are two digits. So one digit is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of a two-digit number on interchanging the digits and adding the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So same concept is used in this question like question number 3. So first of all, what we have to do, we will suppose the digits at ones at 10th place. So let digit at ones place. So this will be equal to x, and it is given that one of the two digits is 3 times the other digit. So if digit at ones place is x, so therefore digit at 10th place will be 3 times this digit, that is 3x. So we can suppose it as 10th place digit at x, and then the ones place digit will be 3x. So in like both the cases we can suppose the digits. So if we suppose ones place digit at x, then the 10th place digit will be 3x, and if we suppose 10th place digit as x, then the digit at ones place will be 3x. So in both cases we can suppose the numbers. Now it is given that we have to interchange, so let us form the original number first. So original number will be 10 into 10th place digit plus ones place digit. So what is digit at 10th place? 3x. So 10 into 3x plus x, this will be equal to 31x. Now it is given in the question that on interchanging the digits and adding the resulting number to the original number, so new number plus original number, the sum is equal to 88. So we know the original number is 31x. We have to form the new number. New number will be formed by interchanging the digits. So now the ones place digit will become 10th place digit, and 10th place digit will become ones place digit. So this will be 10 into x, 10x, 10x plus 3x, that will be 13x. 13x plus 31x equal to 88. So 13 plus 31 will be 44x, which will be equal to 88. So now we have to solve. We will divide, we will take this 44 into denominator. So 88 upon 44. So this will be equal to 2. So therefore digit at ones place is equal to 2, and therefore digit at 10th place. What was digit at 10th place? 3x. So this will be equal to 3 into 2, 6. So therefore two digit number was 31x. So 31 into 2, that is 62. So if we suppose 10th digit as x and ones place digit as 3x, the digits will be interchanged. So the number in that case will be 26. So 26 and 62 both are the right answers. It depends how you suppose the numbers. Question number 6 now. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So it is given that the length and breadth are in the ratio 11/4. So whenever ratio is given, we have already studied, we suppose it in the form of 11x and 4x. So therefore let length of plot, which will be equal to 11x, and breadth of plot, that will be equal to 4x. At the rate of 100 per meter, cost is given rupees 100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. So panchayat have to fence the plot. That means they have to fence the boundary of that plot. So whenever we talk about the boundary, we have to find the perimeter. And how we find the total cost of fencing? We multiply the cost of 1 meter into perimeter. So by this we can calculate the total cost of fencing. So this can be written as total cost is equal to perimeter of plot multiply cost of 1 meter. So by this we can find the total cost. But here total cost is given 75,000. So we will put value of total cost. Perimeter we don't know, so it will be written as this, and cost of 1 meter is rupees 100. So 75,000 equal to perimeter into 100. So if we have to find the perimeter, so this 100 will go to denominator, 2 zeros will cancel out, which will be equal to 750 meter. Therefore perimeter of plot is 750 meter. So length is supposed as 11x, breadth is 4x. Total cost, if we have to find, that is equal to perimeter into cost of 1 meter. Here total cost is given, which is 75,000. That will be equal to perimeter into cost of 1 meter, that is 100. So if we want to find the perimeter, we will divide the total cost by cost of 1 meter, which will be equal to 750 meters. So now we have find the perimeter. So what is the question? What are the dimensions of plot? So we have to find the length and breadth of the this plot. So we know the perimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter? 2 into L plus B equal to perimeter. So we will put value of length, breadth and perimeter here. That will be equal to 2 into, what is the length here? 11x. What is the breadth? 4x. That will be equal to 750, which is the perimeter. So 2 into 11 plus 4, that will be equal to 15x equal to 750. This will be equal to 30x is equal to 750. X will be 750 by 30. So this will be equal to 25. So the value of x is 25. Therefore length is 11 into x, 11 into 25. This is equal to 275 meter. And therefore breadth, which is equal to 4x. So 4 into 25, 100 meter. So length and breadth are 275 and 100 meter respectively. If you want to check the answer, you can calculate the perimeter using length and breadth, that is 275 and 100. So the answer will be 750 meters.